Hi guys, so the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court has today delivered its verdict in the case of Lakhan Singh versus State of Haryana, the case regarding Haryana ADA writ. Allowing the writ petition, the High Court stated the change in rules was not in consonance with the spirit of Article 320 as they lacked proper consensus and coordination between the Haryana government and the Haryana Public Service Commission. Also, the High Court stated that such a criteria places the practicing advocates in an unfairly disadvantageous position as they might not have such a good command over GK and aptitude as they have over law. The court further stated that the criteria for screening out candidates, terming the present criteria as arbitrary, the High Court stated that the present scheme of examination would not serve to achieve final objectives sought to be achieved by the end result of the examination. Now, the probability is quite high that the examination would not be conducted on 2nd November. Rather, there is a possibility that the forms might be re-advertised and there would definitely be a change in the syllabus. What the change would be, there it is gonna be the previous pattern wherein 70% weightage was given to law and the 30% weightage included GK and other peripheral areas inclusive of Haryana GK. And so as of now we have to wait for the detailed judgment as it has not yet been uploaded on the website. As soon as the detailed judgment would come out, I will update you guys regarding the same. Till then, stay tuned to my channel.